It is, and one of the Democrats, I think it was Jackson or someone, the black woman, she was trying to get to get to know answers only, and then the guy running the hearing, when Whitaker would not answer with just yes or no, he'd tell him, look, you have to answer with a yes or no. The woman wants her answer with a yes or no. And then someone in the back yelled to the guy running the oversight, goes, hey, where were you when Homer was here with all this stuff saying you have to answer yes or no? It's pretty funny, man. It's actually entertaining.
Yeah, I could see this glimpses. That's what I got to take a listen to this. This is pretty good. Well, Dwight, do me a favor. Hey, if by the time, if we have it, if somebody on the GOP actually demonstrates a backbone and does something substantive, give us a call back, will you?
Okay, I will.
Well, I can tell this we probably won't talk each other, but nonetheless, I'll let you get that update. We have a few minutes. Cuddy revealed that he was under assault. Yeah. Happened on Super Bowl Sunday, 12/22. On Super Bowl Sunday, I received an email. I was waiting for my wife. She was in a store. I was sitting in the car. And I don't always check my emails all the time, but I happened to see what's going on. And it was a notification from Facebook. Uh-oh. And it said this. Hi, Scotty. We noticed an unusual login from a device or location you don't usually use. Was this you? And sometimes I think that's a phishing thing. Sometimes I'll even ignore those kind of things. But it was a simple yes or no. Yes, this was me. No. And I put, well, where is it? And it says near Los Angeles, California. Hello, nerd. So I hit no, and then that was the end of it. What I didn't realize is immediately following that, another notification came in from Facebook. Same thing, but in a foreign language. So, that being said, now we jump to 2:16. I, like most, terribly bored by the Super Bowl and thought, let me check Facebook and see what the folks are saying about the Super Bowl. And as I open my Facebook, it is in that foreign language, which ended up being Portuguese. Okay? Wow. I then am starting to panic that this was not, they were right, that someone had gotten into my account. And so I don't know how to read Portuguese. I don't know where the setting stuff is to change passwords. I don't know any. So I get my wife, she pulls out her iPad. We look through the settings in English on hers and then match up the phrases that change it back to English. So I was able to change my Facebook back. Then I was able to change my password. Right. And fortunately, because of the notification that Facebook originally gave me, it stopped whoever that was from doing more in there other than changing my language. And who knows where they were headed with this. But I'm very thankful for the the security that Facebook has. And here's the thing, it was a unique password. It's a password I don't use for any other account. Like sometimes we'll match passwords because it's easy to remember. This was a completely unique one. I was amazed that someone had been able to hack in. Now I've obviously changed my password. I've had no other effects, from this, whatever happened, that I know of. They were probably in there long enough to change the language and start into something they were up to, but I don't know what it was. So I guess they didn't. There was no posting. There was no. So thank goodness. Yeah, exactly. Now you have the limit of 5,000. Right? I mean, you have so they would have access if it would have progressed, and they could have reached out. And what kind of nefarious thing could happen? I would imagine phishing, but then that could be an entree into their particular account, perhaps. I'm not sure. Yep. Boy, I'm glad you caught that. Yeah. And so I guess my Scotty says, if you will, is the more often you change your password, the better on things. Some of us, I get this way. I get lazy. I don't want to have to remember another thing or save another thing. But just keep them rotating because people are out there actively seeking to do harm. I can never remember mine. Yeah, my password changes all the time because I have to go with forgot password. So mine's like every time I log in. So, well, I'm glad that this worked out well. And it is good advice for folks who are dialed in. No doubt.
Yeah.
Woo! Close call.
I had more cardio and excitement from that than
the game.
Than the game, the halftime, the commercials.
Wow. Scotty said, and it's good advice. Check your stuff. We'd like someone to walk away with some cash, don't we?
Yeah, why not?
Let's do that.
The weekend, $1,000 richer.
I'm thinking maybe now. Now? Okay.
Your shot at $1,000 now. Text the nationwide keyword bank to 200-200. You'll get a text confirming entry plus iHeartRadio info, data data, and message rate supply in this nationwide contest. That's bank to 200-200. Rants, riots, protests, and all-out war on social media.
I'm just so sick and tired of it.
You get exhausted.
People need to just calm down.
Why not just take a step back and come together as a nation? News Radio 830, KHVH. KHVH traffic.
We've got a couple incidents. I'm reading you from the flagship Foundry Traffic Center. Two southbound lanes remain blocked on Kamehameha Highway near H2 overpass. Due to police investigation, traffic is being routed to H2. Very heavy traffic out of Wahiwa. And an accident involving a pedestrian on Aloha at Kamehameha HPD is on the scene. Traffic in from the west side, clearing up very nicely. Just a slowdown near the H2 merge. The lane looks good for two per person in your vehicle. And challenge traffic looks slowing down near Pu'ulo exit on 804 viaduct in the Million exit. Go north side, brake lights on Kamehameha Highway at New Oahu. And the drive-in from East Oahu, we're starting to see the congestion on Kalani on Ole Highway at Aina.
This report is sponsored by Hawaiian Financial Federal Credit Union.
At Hawaiian Financial Federal Credit Union, you can earn a 2.5% annual percentage yield on a certificate for 23 months or a 2.0% annual percentage yield on a certificate for 15 months. LLI, come along at Hawaiian Financial Federal Credit Union for life.
Fox News, I'm Jane Metzler. A testy start to House hearings. Acting Attorney General Matt Whitaker